Good morning, everybody. It's 6:17 on a Tuesday morning. Lots of cloudiness out there, but we are dry across a lot of the areas. I'll show you radar here in just a second and what we're thinking. I think a few showers are likely, especially the further east of US 131 that you are. And then we look at an extended dry stretch that starts tomorrow and goes all the way into the weekend and the beginning of next week with highs in the 60s and 70s. We could be pushing in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees by the time we get into next week. So take a look at what's going on here with radar. All of our West Michigan area is dry, but as you get into eastern portions of Montcalm County, eastern Ionia County, eastern Eaton County there, you can see there are some showers that have rotated on back here, and that'll be the case. I think they'll rotate all the way back. They're coming in from the north and northeast, and they'll rotate back to about the US 131 corridor. So again, anybody along, and especially the further east of US 131 you go, the better off you're going to have some rain chances as we go through this day. Let's put this into motion here. A little bit wider perspective. You can clearly see the way these are rotating on back. The chance of rain at the lakeshore is not zero today, but it is much lower. I don't think those showers will get all the way back to the lakeshore. That's why I say the best chance at seeing those rain showers will be east of US 131. Our current temperatures, we're in the 40s there at the lakeshore where the clouds are a little bit thinner. 43 degrees right now in Allegan. We have 54 in Grand Rapids, 54 in Big Rapids, 52 in Hastings, and 52 also in Battle Creek. Here's satellite and radar combined over the last 6 hours. You can see the way those showers are being thrown back here and rotating around an upper level low, which is down here in Ohio. That low is eventually going to lift out of here, but we'll see some showers east of US 131 today for the first part of the day before those showers rotate out of here as well. So look for mostly cloudy skies. Few showers are likely, especially for areas along and especially further east of US 131. High temperatures top out about 62 with a west-northwest wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. There's that upper level low and everything rotating around that low in the opposite direction in which the clock moves. That's why these showers are rotating in from the north and east. But even the forecast models have these staying for areas along and east of US 131. High pressure builds in tonight. Will decrease the cloud cover and turn mostly clear overnight. And then as we go through our Wednesday, we expect mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. There will be a cold front that arrives in here on Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. There is cooler air behind that front, so by the time we get into Thursday, we'll see the temperatures knocked down by probably about 8 to 10 degrees as Canadian high pressure builds in here by that time. Look at the future rainfall. You could see it's telling more than an inch of rain to our east for places like Lansing and Jackson. Then you come a little further to the west here. We got a 1/4 inch in Ionia, 1800ths in Battle Creek. Those totals could go a little bit higher if it rotates a little bit further back, but look at the cutoff here right along and east of US 131. Could those rain showers get back further to the west? Absolutely, but I think about the US 131 corridor will probably be the cutoff. So our highest chance of precipitation in our next 7 days is going to be actually today, about a 60% chance, and that increases. The further east you go, by the time you get to Lansing, there's about 90 to 100% chance of rain there. 62 today, then we start a long dry stretch of weather from Wednesday, Thursday, right into our upcoming Mother's Day weekend. Great news for Mom.